I'm here in the World Government Summit in Dubai, where the future of transportation is one of the hottest topics on the agenda. Behind me is Next Future Transportation's autonomous pod, which is completely driverless. These prototypes are the world's first autonomous pods to be tested. Designed and engineered by Next Future Transportation, the pods work using electromechanical technologies and are designed to travel short and medium distances in dedicated lanes.
These pods can connect and disconnect while in full motion, and that really provides tremendous flexibility as we ultimately will be able to replace municipal buses.
Catching a pod means using the app to call a Next. The smart routing system will then autonomously drive the pod to you. While on the road, the module pod will connect with others to optimize driving routes and passenger numbers.
We connect in full motion and ultimately create an internal space. We just separate it and each pod will head into separate directions.
The pods can move at an average speed of 20 kilometers or about 12 miles per hour and can carry up to 10 passengers. Hoping to be on the road by 2020, the pods are part of Dubai's strategy to make 25% of all journeys in Dubai autonomous by 2030.